sniper rifle, start by inserting the bolt into the barrel. Next, you're going to insert the barrel into the stock, so the trigger on the barrel will line up with the trigger hole in the stock. Next, take your hardware kit, and you'll notice there's some screws. So the first thing you're going to do is place the short screw into the barrel and the stock. So the holes are going to align closest to the muzzle for the front of the gun. So go ahead and screw that short screw into the hole towards the front of the gun. Next, you're going to attach your muzzle, and you'll notice there's a flat part on both the barrel and the muzzle. So slide that on. Screw that on the right side using a small screw to keep that muzzle in place. Next, you're going to take your recoil pad and the flange that helps hold the recoil pad in place. So place that flange horizontal, and then place the pad on top of the stock. You're going to screw this in using the two long screws. Next, you're going to slide the scope onto the Picatinny rails. And you're going to use two short screws to keep that barrel in place. Next, you're going to screw on your bipod, and the holes on the bipod will align with the holes on the front of your stock. Next, you're going to load your dummy rounds into your magazine. Voila, there you go.